Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video of LeetCode playlist. And now we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 3945, which is we have to find the digit frequency score. In this problem, we have given a number n equals to 122, and we have to find the sum of these digits. Basically, sum of these digits, or 1 appears one time, and it means 1 into 1 equals to 1. 2 appears in this 2 times, means 2 into 2 equals to 4, and 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So basically, this is the sum of the digits. This is very simple and easy level problem. So let's solve this problem. First of all, we create a variable named sum and initialize it with 0. After that, we'll use while loop where n is greater than 0 and sum plus or equals to n modulus 10. This process will give us a last digit of a number. After that, we have to remove last digit so that we divide n by 10. Then we return sum. So let's check this code. You can see here both the test cases are passed successfully. Thank you.